How to deposit money into Bybit is what I'm going to be showing you today using bank, Visa card, crypto, and maybe getting up to a $30,000 bonus. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Roll the video, let's go. So guys, go on LinkedIn, okay, and look at what it's talking about with Bybit, okay? Bybit is a cryptocurrency exchange established in March 2018 to offer a professional platform where crypto traders can find an ultra-fast matching engine. Now, excellent customer service and multilingual community support, the company provides innovative online spot and derivative trading services, mining and staking products as well, and as exchange for the emerging digital asset class. Now, Bybit's founder CEO Ben Zhao was formerly from XM, one of the world's largest Forex and CFD trading brokerage firms. The company comprises professionals from investment banks, tech firms, the Forex industry, and early adopters of the blockchain. Now, the development team includes talent from Morgan Stanley, Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent. So now, how to deposit XRP on Bybit? When transferring the Bybit wallet, make sure to fill in your UID as tag. Okay, otherwise the transfer will not be reflected in your trading account. Please note that your tag is your UID on Bybit, so you may find UID at the account and security dropdown, where your user information is actually shown. Now, based on the miner fees that you pay and the transaction amount on the blockchain network, your deposit usually takes about 10 minutes to reach your Bybit account. Once the deposit is completed, please go to the asset page to view your transaction. Now, if you want to use credit and debit card payments, Bybit has just launched credit and debit card payments, allowing users to buy crypto directly with their credit or debit cards using fiat currencies. All you need to know is the link your credit card to your Bybit account is your card details. Now, and purchase them without going through any third-party channel. Process takes about 5 minutes and is simple as buying other regular products online. To purchase using a credit card, please head over to the Buy Crypto section. Click here if you're on the article at bybithelp.com, link down below, or refer to the FAQs for the supported currency. Please learn more again by clicking that link. Now, third-party payments. Third-party payment is a service provided by a third-party service provider and has collaborated with Bybit. Now, with more than 8 service providers they've collaborated with. Traders are required to perform KYC with third-party service providers. Once a trader's identity is successfully verified and their order has been completed, the service provider will credit the cryptocurrency into the trader's Bybit account. Now, different providers will support different currencies and payment methods, but to purchase using a third-party channel, head on over to Bybit Crypto. Again, hit that link, it's the same article, and choose the third-party payment vendor under the drop-down menu. You'll be redirected to the third-party website and completing the purchase. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I will see you on the next video.